Imagine a world where technology and innovation have transformed the skies. A world where the skies are patrolled by intelligent machines, ensuring safety and security. The THOR VTOL Mini UAS is here to revolutionize aerial surveillance and combat. VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing, a feature that allows it to operate in tight spaces. UAS means Unmanned Aerial System, a testament to its advanced technology. Mistral Inc. has created this amazing machine, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. THOR is small but powerful, designed to be both agile and robust. It's changing how we think about military operations, offering new strategies and capabilities. Think of it as a flying robot soldier, ready to assist in complex missions. It's smart and can make decisions on its own, adapting to dynamic environments. This is what we call autonomy, a leap forward in drone technology. THOR doesn't need a human to control its every move, making it highly efficient. It's like comparing a flip phone to a smartphone, a significant evolution. THOR can complete missions without constant human input, showcasing its advanced capabilities. This little drone is a big step into the future of combat, paving the way for new possibilities. Let's talk about what makes THOR special. First, there's autonomy. THOR can think for itself. It makes decisions based on what it sees and senses. Next, let's look at portability. THOR is small enough to fit in a backpack. Soldiers can take THOR anywhere and deploy it quickly. It's like having a flying Swiss Army knife. THOR can lift small objects. It could deliver medical supplies or communication devices. The possibilities are endless. THOR is not just a flying camera. It's a versatile tool for many different tasks. THOR is a champion when it comes to flight time. It's designed to push the boundaries of what drones can achieve. It can stay in the air for 70 minutes, which is significantly longer than most drones in its class. This long flight time is a game changer for military operations, providing extended surveillance and operational capabilities. But THOR doesn't just fly for a long time, it flies smart, utilizing advanced AI to navigate complex environments. It can complete entire missions on its own, from reconnaissance to targeted operations. THOR can take off, complete its task, and come back home without any human intervention. This frees up soldiers to focus on other important tasks, enhancing overall mission efficiency. THOR is a multi-domain operator, capable of adapting to various mission requirements. It can work in different environments, from urban landscapes to rugged terrains. It can help in land, sea, and air missions, making it an invaluable asset for diverse operations. THOR is like a Swiss Army knife of drones, versatile and reliable. Its versatility opens up new possibilities, allowing for innovative uses in various fields. THOR is a force multiplier, enhancing the capabilities of any team it supports. Section 4. Manufacturing and scalability meeting defense needs. Creating THOR requires advanced manufacturing techniques. Mistral Inc. has developed new ways to build these complex machines. Each THOR is built with precision and care. The goal is to make a lot of THORs. The Department of Defense needs many of these drones. Mistral Inc. is ready for this challenge. They've set up their manufacturing process to be scalable. Quality is key in military equipment. Mistral Inc. ensures each THOR meets high standards. Every drone is tested thoroughly. The ability to produce THORs at scale is crucial. More soldiers can have access to this technology. This could change how the military operates. Section 5, Edge 2024, showcasing THOR's potential. Get ready for Edge 2024. THOR will be there to show off what it can do. This is exciting for everyone in the defense world. They'll get to see THOR in action. THOR will demonstrate its capabilities. It will fly missions and show how it can work autonomously. This event is important for Mistral Inc. It's their chance to prove THOR's worth. Military leaders will be watching. This event could shape the future of THOR and drones like it. Section 6. The future of military operations with THOR. THOR is more than just a new gadget. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare, where technology and strategy merge seamlessly. Imagine armies of these smart drones working together in perfect harmony. They could change how we fight wars, making traditional tactics obsolete. They could make military operations safer and more effective, reducing the risk to human soldiers. These drones could save countless lives by taking on the most dangerous tasks. They can go into dangerous areas instead of soldiers, minimizing human casualties. They can gather crucial information without risking human lives, providing real-time data. This could make our military stronger and our soldiers safer, enhancing overall mission success. THOR isn't just for fighting, its applications are vast and varied. It can help in search and rescue missions, natural disasters, and peacekeeping operations, showcasing its versatility. Mistral Inc. is committed to improving THOR, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With THOR, they're shaping the future of military operations, creating a safer and more efficient battlefield.